My name is Craig Taylor. I work for Biomarin. Biomarin is a pharmaceutical company that develops drugs for patients with life-threatening diseases. One of our key directions at Biomarin is to send enterprise computer systems into the cloud to help free up resources for other activities. The value of putting the Pi data into the cloud is that we can do higher level analytics. We can use it to discover new drugs, which is very important for our company. We can use it to optimize the process of our manufacturing plant, and we can also use it to keep the facility of the manufacturing plant stable and operational. In the architecture we've set up, we're first collecting the data into the Pi system, which does a tremendous job on data validation and data cleansing. When you think about our health authority requirements around data integrity, Pi meets that need. It allows us to say things like this bioreactor was run at this agitation rate during the entire run, and that has a lot of value. At our organization, we purchased the Pi system to prove that we manufacture our drugs consistently. A completely unexpected side effect was the tremendous troubleshooting capability of the system. When something goes wrong on a piece of equipment, it pretty quickly gets you to a root cause to correct the problem. And that was a completely unexpected benefit of OSIsoft Pi. I'm Craig Taylor, and that's my Pi story.